everyone. So today I'm going to be showing you guys the Frohawk. So this is my 3-day hair and we are going to start on dry hair for this style. You'll need 3 hair ties, any hair tie that matches with your hair color. You're going to need any oil or spritz of your favorite. You're also going to need a bottle of water and some eco style gel with maybe a bristle brush if you want to use it. So you're going to part your hair into 3 sections here. So I'm going to start parting my first section. It's going to be right at the top of your head. This does not have to be perfect, just to let you guys know. We do want this to blend as much as possible. So if it is a perfect straight line, there's a chance that it might be a little bit harder to blend. So go ahead and part your first section. Alright guys, so now that you have your section, what you're going to do is take some water and spray both sides. And then after you do that, you're just going to add a little bit of the gel, just a little bit, not too much, onto each side of your head. And this is going to just, smooth up any flyaways that you might have during this process of creating the style. Alright guys, so now just brush up the sides of your hair that you just applied the gel to. You don't have to use your brush if you don't want to. If you feel more comfortable with just using your hands, that's totally fine. I just wanted to use a brush for this step. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and apply the hair tie. So I am going to do this as if I'm putting the pineapple in my hair. I'm going to go over twice. I'm just going to keep it a bit looser only because it's necessary for the style at the top for the first section. Okay, so we're ready for the second section. So go ahead and again just take another section of hair. Again, and it doesn't have to be perfect. Go ahead and start spreading the hair apart, creating the section that you desire. Not too much hair. So now that you have your section, you'll see 2 lines, one there and one there. So what we're going to do is try to blend this in. So take a piece of hair and just bring it right over that line. And if it doesn't stay, you can also use a bobby pin and just pin it in place. So now that you have your section, you have it blended a bit, grab your hair tie, and what you're going to do is do the same thing that we did in step 1. Go over twice. That will create a looser section. It's going to be easy for you to play with when we start spreading out for the Frohawk. So there you have it, second section, and so now we can move on to the third. Okay, perfect. So we're now ready for the third section. So go ahead and grab whatever's left, and if you need to spritz some water or add some gel to any flyaways, go ahead and do that now. I decided that I didn't need to do that for this step. So go ahead and grab that section, and I'm going to wrap this one around 3 times just for it to be a little bit tighter because it's going to be easier to adjust and stretch out this section of hair when we're creating the style. Perfect. So we are not quite done yet. So now all we have to do at this point is just blend everything in. Blend the sides, blend the back, blend the top, just to make sure it doesn't look like we just threw in 3 hair ties in our hair. So stretch and spread apart your hair. I'm just going to try to blend this as much as possible. I'm just pulling my hair on each side, pulling it up, pulling it down. Do whatever you need to do to create that volume on the top of your head and to blend as much as possible. I'm just continuing to hide the lines and to pull at my hair. Perfect. So go ahead and grab your oil. I'm using my OGX KuKui Oil and just spray it all along your Frohawk just to create more shine and to prevent the frizz from rocking out that Frohawk for the rest of the day. And you are pretty much done, and this is what it looks like from side to side and from the back. I don't like my Frohawk to go all the way down, but this is how I like it. Alright guys, so we are all done. If you have any questions, please just comment below. I hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, thank you for watching.